Welcome to my home. Everybody always asks me where I got this table, and actually this is an old coffee table top that I saved. I got rid of the base, and the bottom is an outdoor vintage table. And this offers me some nice hidden storage, which is very necessary in a small space. And this is an old vintage trunk that I actually got off Craigslist, and the woman I bought it from got it in the 1960s in an antique store in the south of France. Simply Self-Storage sent me a bunch of moving boxes actually when I moved, which was super helpful, and they have all kinds of stuff you can order online, and then of course storage units that are across the country. Plus I also love alliteration, so I'm really into like the Simply Self-Storage, SSS. Simply Self-Storage, Simply Self-Storage, Simply Self-Storage. So good! And then there's this that I need to take down, but I need to have a wrench to do that, and I don't have a wrench, so I need help. 3D. Also, I've been obsessed with all things Japanese since about the age of 14. So this is my temporary sofa while I look for my perfect sofa. I had to leave my last one at my last place because my dad's living there now, and I didn't want to leave him without a couch. Daughter of the year? And this will soon be curtain rods and drapes. However, as you might be able to tell, everything is crooked. I don't know how to measure from the ceiling or measure from the floor and make it level. I mean, I know you use a level, but basically, I just need a little help. Addressing this fireplace, or lack thereof, it's literally a bit of brick, but I'm gonna work with it. And hopefully I'll have a little bit more mantle in the making, but in the meantime, this is what I got going on. And this offers me even more storage. It actually was a full-on secretary, and then the top broke in moving, but it's great because I have all this stuff. I feel like you get mail, stuff from the kitchen, receipts, all that kind of stuff gets to go here. So I love like a mini desk and storage for that in the kitchen. More storage, napkins, dish towels. And this is a fiddly fig I almost killed by dragging it outside and leaving it in direct sunlight for days on end and burning all the leaves. I don't know why I'm singing, but I cut it completely back and brought it inside, so I think it's gonna be okay. Originally, this refrigerator, which is crazy deep for this space, was back here, and it really like closed everything off. When I added this table, it gave me so much more room to put like stuff you put out all the time out, which was super helpful. And I'm gonna put a little shelf up just for kind of extra stuff, but I like that it's hidden behind the fridge, but it kind of opens it up and gives me like room to work. And I've got stored in the back bamboo blinds that are going up here, and I'm gonna hang them extra high, but I have to get them cut because they're from my last place to fit this. But I'm hanging it up high to kind of like mask all this and give like a higher look. Plus, who wants to block this view? So this is my bathroom. I love bringing stuff that's like non-bathroom into the bathroom. So I have like tons of stuff. I even have all my Bikram yoga stuff because you have to have towels and everything else in here. I have extra towels, linen. So this is my movable linen closet in the bathroom. So this is my little room. There's a very functional fan. Not exactly my style, but I have to tell you, in this summer heat, it is pretty nice. Another thing is this air conditioner I would never put in there, and my first instinct is like, get it out of the window, I'd rather be hot. I will sweat. But it's there, it's very secure, so I've come up with a plan to cover it. And that also involves a curtain rod. So the curtain's gonna go all the way across there, and I'm gonna have one little panel on this side, one little panel on this side, and a panel in the middle, and it's gonna block that. And I can slide it over when I wanna use it, and boom, hidden. This is an estate sale find. We've got more storage of hats in hat boxes. They wouldn't fit into my closet. My closet is jam-packed.
That's a mess?
No, it's not a mess. I'm a very organized person. I brought this and it actually fits really well. I miss like my super organized, but no, I'm very organized. Organization and storage and having everything that's proper place is the fundamental key to decorating. Get that in place first and then make it cute. It's a foundation. Unfortunately, I also need patio cushions. Luckily, I have a few throw pillows that I use, and they work okay. I have this table too. I love vintage iron patio furniture, and maybe putting it under the patio, or maybe putting it over there and putting these chairs over here. I don't know. But I hope, my feet are really hot out here, but I hope that this corner out here will be my future cowboy hot tub, AKA stock tank hot tub. That's my goal. And wouldn't that be so cool? Maybe like a little chaise next to it and some lights. Can't you just see the lights? Ow. So this is my spillover space that desperately needs organization. I have some things organized. This is what I hope I would want to turn into like my office or like another room. So I'm really excited about that actually, but like I have to come up with a space for all this. Like, so I'm thinking maybe another little storage unit. Maybe that's the answer. And then the irony is like, I don't have any storage, and you'd think I'd want to use my storage for storage, but I don't. I want to use my storage as another room. Real estate is precious, man. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. It's time for us to go for our evening walk. See you next time. Let's go see Francis, AKA Frankie, AKA Francisco. Hi, Minnie. Hang on, I gotta give everyone a carrot. Here, Russ. He's really old. All right, one more for you. Love a pony. And then my big giant boy here.
What's up with the flowers?
The flowers feel like me in this hot afternoon heat. They're not old. They're just a little sad.
They're melting.
They're melting. We're melting.
It's so hot.
I know. The fun thing is hopefully when that afternoon light hits that disco ball though, it's a party in the sky. Should I say something about like being able to touch the top? 5'5" has never felt so tall.